Oh, it's for the athletic type. Is this kinesio tape? Oh, I know exactly what it is. Logic and binary, we are back at it once again. It's been a while since I've done one of these. I've got a surprise product. I don't know anything about it, never seen it before. I can almost guarantee you, whoever makes it, I won't be able to pronounce their name. T-Got, let me have it. Woo! So, this product is called YOJOCK. I hope I'm saying it right. I guess there's only one way to find out what's in here. I don't want to read the bottom. I'm not going to read the bottom. They finally made a YOJOCK big enough for me. Oh, it's for the athletic type. Is this kinesio tape? Oh, I know exactly what it is. It's a deck of cards. It's got a USB. What is it? This isn't for the athletic type. What? Digital tester. It tests your jock. USB digital tester for YOJOCK. I ain't lying. It says it right there. Look. All right. What does this do? YOJOCK USB-C tester, USB power meter, 2-in-1 digital multimeter, 3.6. This thing's a 3.632 valve. Good load. And it's got an electric engine. Oh, so you can test how much power is being moved around, huh? Oh, when we were testing the chargers, right? Oh, let's do this. Where's my phone? Here we go. Ooh, you need to get this in green. Okay, so what do? Do I just plug in the USB and it's gonna tell me stuff? Booyah. Plugged her in. Oh, now you tell me. So we've got 9.28 volts, 3.16 amps, 29.4 watts. That is not a supercharger. So I'm like 90% of the people out there on YouTube, right? In YouTube land. I have no idea if this is good or bad. So there you go. We just received an education. Going back to my original question, is this good? Yeah. Is this good? Is that good? Is that good? Like 28.5? Is that decent? Can we ever reach 45? Is that obtainable? Okay. Well, this is nice. USB digital tester YOJOCK. Next time we get something fun that we can use that for, we're gonna go ahead and keep it in the studio and use it just like we do the handy dandy pocket knife that we have, because I lost my handy dandy C-New pocket knife. So now we got the Logic and binary knife. YOJOCK USB digital tester, charging at 27 watts right now. Outro, I think we're done on this one. Follow, like, all that good stuff. Psych, I ain't telling you what to do. You know what to do if you want to do it. If not, thank you for watching anyways. We love it. Have a good night.
Yeah, and we can smoke, we can chill, we can do it all. I got a car outside, no roof at all.